What's up, YouTube? You're checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as you can see, we got a little package here to unbox. We got the Blue Alien on deck, so let's get right in here and see what this is. Let's see. That should be enough for us to just rip this thing open. Rest to the right. The box is beat up bad, but it's the JXD Mini UFO. Looks like it says, yes, the JXD Mini UFO. I don't see any number. I guess it's a 512V. So let's get in here in this beat up box. Let's see. And I thought if it was bad, then I could always FPV this thing. So the transmitter looks pretty awesome. Looks like the same transmitter that the pterodactyl came with. The Pterosaurus had a bit of a mishap with the Pterosaurus, but more on that later. You got the instructions manual here. Taped to the bottom, we got the extra set of spare props and USB charging cable. Okay, so here it is. This thing looks pretty cool. Looks like a little Parrot Bebop. It's tiny. Let's see, do I have anything up here for a size comparison? So you guys can see how small this thing is. This is the Cheerson CX10D. So you can see it's a little larger than the CX10D. A little larger. The props are a lot larger. So where's something more comparable? This is close to the size, but you can see the props are a lot larger than these props here. This is the X-Drone Nano by 4D Copter. And you can see it's about the same size as this. The motor pods match up actually, just about, but you can see the props are a lot larger, so that's pretty awesome to have something this small with props that big. And let's see, do I have anything else that'll be good for comparison? Just this will be great here. This is the Baying Toys X7, and so this is the classic one too. Awesome little flyer there. And you can see the X7 is a little larger than this. So pretty cool looking little quad here, and it seems like it'll have a lot of power if I was to add some FPV to this thing, if it didn't fly well. But you guys can look forward to some night flights with this if it has any. Let's see if it has any LEDs. Looks like no LEDs, folks. So no LEDs, but it looks like it's a possibly, wait a minute, there's some lights in the back, but that's about it. So no night flying with this one, probably. More than likely. But we're definitely going to check this thing out, have some fixes with it, maybe some morning fixes, and ultimately a quick review or full review. Thanks for watching.